Guess who just woke up and realized they didn't edit any video for today? Oops. So I went into town today to do some Christmas decoration shopping, and I was so tired when I came home I ended up falling asleep. It is now 3:45 p.m. and I haven't edited anything yet for today's video.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
So I'm going to show you guys quickly the few things that I bought. I really couldn't find what I wanted. I guess I'm just really picky. So I might have to go back out tonight to do some more shopping. I did absolutely no sewing today. Yeah, it was just that kind of day. So I'm going to show you the things that I did pick up. First of all, here's a little mini room tour of my little 2x4 living room. So we have this cabinet here that has like our wedding photos, few like ornaments, games, books, random stuff. We have the TV there and a mirror. Then I have these two brown stands. This one I have all my mess from what I bought today over here, so you can't really see, but I have these two brown stands here in the corner with random ornaments and frames, candles. That is our games table. I'm thinking that the Christmas tree is gonna go right here, so I'm gonna move this, slide that on the TV table with the games, and I'm gonna disassemble this, put away those things for now, except probably that red and silver candle, because that is very Christmas appropriate. And then the tree will go here, and it's perfect because there's an outlet here, so I can run the lights for the tree. We also want to light up this mirror. Hi. These curtains I absolutely detest. I love the ones in the middle. I actually bought these on Amazon, by the way, but the side ones I really don't like, and the only reason they're there is because the curtains that I had there were kind of sheer, so in the nighttime you could see straight inside once the lights were on. So I had to just pick something out of my linen closet quickly, and I had those from our previous apartment, so I just stuck them there, but I don't like them. So I actually bought these today because they were on sale, and I want to bring back in some of the red because right now it's mostly black and gray, but I couldn't find any solid red to put with them, because I was thinking that I would put this here and then the solid red in the middle, or vice versa. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So I bought only 2 of these. Can't really see the cushions that are on the sofa right now because I was lying down there, so they're all squished. This is the futon that I was telling you guys about that needs some sprucing up. So I'm actually going to change out this throw, and then the bench pillow will go right here. We also have this little coffee table, which is the partner to that baby one there. These 3 came as a set. So I want to make a little Christmas centerpiece to put on this that has some red. This is what happens when you're a sewist. In this carpet right now, there are 1,000,001 little threads. Also, these coasters are wooden coasters, so this table is where we would usually keep our coasters. However, they are starting to leak, and because they're leaking, the table is bubbling all around, so I'm gonna have to look for some new coasters as well. Here is where I have my spin bike set up. I've recently started using this, and to be honest, I stopped using it the day that Vlogmas started. I just had way too much going on. And here's our little dining table. So here's the overview. This wall is completely plain. Since we moved in here, we've been trying to figure out what to put there, and we just don't know. But that is the little overview of our little space. So either tomorrow or the day after, you guys would see us transform this space into Christmas. So these are the things that I picked up today. Not much at all. We have the curtains, which you've seen already. I love this new throw. It's a sharp throw. It's really soft. I love the fact that it brings some white into the room, because right now the room is really dark. So it's gray, black, and white. Really love this. So this is going to replace that throw, and then we'll have the bench pillow here, which will then have black, white, red, and green. I got these little balls to go in some sort of centerpiece for this table, and then I got ribbon for the tree. It looks like a kind of almost polka dot gold ribbon. Hopefully I have enough for the tree. It's a very small tree. It's only a 6 foot, and it's very sparse, which is why you would have seen me try to find picks today to make the tree a little bit fuller. yes, I was trying to find picks today to make the tree a little bit fuller, but I found that the picks were so expensive. And then I thought I would have found them cheaper in a different store, and then when I went to the other store, they were even more expensive. So then I kind of wished I had bought them from the first store. So I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow and make a decision. I've actually never used tree picks before, so I was a bit overwhelmed, but after looking back at the clips, I think I know which ones I'm leaning towards. So yeah. So while I was in town today, I was also looking for a black sweater to wear with this skirt whenever it's finished. I was hoping I could shoot it tomorrow, but like I said, I slept the day away, so I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. But I cannot find a single black sweater in this place for the life of me. Oh my gosh, I walked the whole of town today, so I don't know. I'm gonna head to the mall later and see if I find anything, and also the other Christmas stuff that I need. And the curtains. Maybe I'm just too picky. Sometimes I wonder if I'm being too picky, but then most of the time hubby agrees with me anyway. Maybe we're just a really picky couple. Two peas in a pod.